Hey everybody, Miss Rainey here. I just wanted to post a video kind of explaining this week because it's a little bit different. You have a quiz that is going to be a part of this week, and I want you to all understand what is expected of you and when you need to pay attention to taking the quiz and those details so that you're successful this week with the quiz. So right now I am in Schoology and I'm in the week 33 folder. And then these are the materials that I'm looking at. Now, this will not be posted for your access until your class time. So, for Thursday or Friday this week. So, as far as this week goes, let me back up here. On Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday of this week, those 3 days are meant for you to study your gap notes and your labeling notes from a couple of weeks ago. Those notes should be completed with all of the information filled in. So you have this week on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday to study those notes before you take the quiz so that you can do better on the quiz. Everything that's in those notes for the male reproductive system and the female reproductive system from both the labeling and the gap notes, all of that information will be on your quiz. All of it. I pinky promise. Okay. So make sure that you take Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday to just look through your notes before you can take the quiz. As far as being able to take the quiz, if your class, even if you are a distance learner, you should know your schedule. Okay, like whether you have health first hour on a green day or fifth hour on a white day, it should tell you on Infinite Campus. You will not be able to take your quiz. This stuff you won't even be able to click on to access until your class time. So if you have health class on a white day, 7th hour, yes, that's going to be Friday afternoon when you can take the quiz. Okay? Once you open the quiz, you have access to it. Make sure that you complete it. It will be due by Sunday at midnight of this coming week. So make sure that you're paying attention to that too. But I just wanted to go on here and make it crystal clear. Like if you're going in to the folder on Monday and you're like, wait, why can't I take the quiz? Well, you can't take the quiz yet. You need to study for the quiz. The quiz is going to be later in the week. When your class happens, that's what I'll go in and I'll post it and publish it for you to then be able to access. So I just wanted to make sure that that was crystal clear. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. But otherwise, good luck on the quiz. Take your time, study your notes, all of those good things. Bye.